Abate. Verb. To lessen in intensity or degree. To become less strong. Accolade. Noun. An expression of praise. Praise and approval. Adulation. Noun. Excessive praise, intense adoration. Very great admiration or praise for someone, especially when it is more than is deserved. Aesthetic. Adjective. Dealing with, appreciative of, or responsive to art or the beautiful. Relating to the enjoyment or study of beauty. Ameliorate. Verb. To make better or more tolerable. To make a bad or unpleasant situation better,